Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are baby hiccups normal at 37 weeks? Baby hiccups in the womb are totally normal. Many pregnant women feel them, and baby hiccups can even be observed on an ultrasound. Your baby may have started hiccuping late in the first trimester or early in the second, although you wouldn't have felt them that early. When should I be concerned about fetal hiccups? After week 32, though, it's less common to experience fetal hiccups every day. You may want to contact your doctor if your baby continues to hiccup daily after this point, with the episodes lasting over 15 minutes, or if your baby has 3 or more series of hiccups in a day. Are hiccups normal at 39 weeks? Share on Pinterest. Doctors consider fetal hiccups to be a natural part of pregnancy. Even though it is difficult to pinpoint exactly why some women will feel their baby hiccup in the womb, it is considered a good sign and a natural part of pregnancy.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.